If you're planning to file for your green card, I want you to remember one date, September 18th, 2026. Write it down, put it in your phone, whatever works, because that's the day USCIS changes how it looks at your finances. Here's what's happening. There's a role called public charge. Basically, USCIS is asking, is this person likely to depend on the government for support? For the last few years, that test has been pretty narrow. Really, it only looked at two things: cash assistance and long-term care paid for by the government. That's it. Starting September 18th, that list gets a lot bigger. Housing assistance, Medicaid, food assistance, even certain financial aid program, all of that can now be part of the picture. And it's not just about what you're using now. If you're still enrolled in one of these programs after September 18th, that counts under the new broader rule, even if you signed up years before any of this changed. Now, here's the part a lot of people get wrong. They hear public charge and think that's a family-based thing that doesn't apply to me. If you're filing EB-1A or EB-2 NIW, it applies to you too. You're not exempt just because you're a researcher or an engineer or a physician with an approved petition. Your credentials matter, they really do, but they don't replace a documented financial record. USCIS still wants to see the whole picture. And here's the detail that actually decides which rule applies to your case. It's not when USCIS makes a decision, it's the date you file before September 18th, you're under the current rule. File on or after, you're under the new one. Same person, same facts, different outcome, just based on timing. So if a green card is anywhere in your near future, don't wait until the last minute to think about this. Start pulling your documentation together now. Pay stubs, tax transcripts, proof of health insurance, your education and work history. Have it ready before you file. Not after USCIS comes back and asks for it. And I'll say this too. This isn't a reason to panic. It's a reason to be prepared. A strong, well-documented case looked good under the old rule, and it's going to look good under this one too. If you're not sure exactly where your case stands or how this timing affects you specifically, that's exactly what a free case evaluation is for. Links right below. Let's look at your timeline together before September 18th gets here.